Why are we like this? Why is women like this? Like, I need to go to Target. Like, girl, what did you get from Target? You don't even know what you're getting from Target. You just want to get something from Target. Let me pull closer. Let me pull a little closer. I waited so long to take this sip. It's like when you get your car washed, it even drives smoother. Like, hey, yo, baby. Good morning, y'all. We are about to grab us a frappe, a caramel frappe. I am about to go to work. I gotta be there in 20 minutes. It's right down the street from where I'm at. So we about to order a frappe. And yeah, good morning, good morning. It is 8:42. It's 8:42 in the morning. I've been up since literally like 3 a.m. I have not went back to sleep. And I left out and went to the convenience store at 6 a.m. I don't know why, I just did. Good morning. I just wanted to say good morning to y'all and tell y'all happy Sunday. It is Sunday, September 10th. The line is kind of long here, so we're gonna see what it do. But hopefully they don't take all day. Cause yeah, hopefully I have a good work day. I will have a good work day. I will definitely have a good work day. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hi, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Let's see if they did their big one. I know they did. They had to. They had to do their big one. Look at it. Oh, yes. Yes, they did their big one, y'all. It's so good. All right. I am heading to work. I'm almost there. I will see y'all when I get home, I guess. Hey y'all, welcome back to another day. I literally just left from picking up my glasses. Do y'all like them? I wasn't even gonna get this pair. I was gonna get another pair, but I really enjoyed the print on these. I really enjoyed this like snaky print or whatever. So I couldn't pass up the idea. So yeah. I am on my way home. I just got off work and then I went and grabbed my glasses because as soon as I was clocking out, they texted me and said that my glasses was there. So we're here. And yeah, I'm almost home. I'm like not even 5 minutes down the street. I mean, I'll say I'm 5 minutes on the street. because these people they don't know how to drive down here. But they were like the same kind of shape. They were just a little bit, I don't want to say bigger though. I'll say like a little bit bigger. But yeah, it's been gloomy all day. Not really bad outside, but it has definitely been super gloomy outside. So yeah, I will see y'all when I get home. I'm at the laundromat, y'all. So slide your card. But they don't have enough money on here, so I can ask the money on this card. When you got this card, you get a free try here. Hey y'all, so I just left out of Five Below, and I was at the laundromat earlier. I had to get a new car stand because, y'all, my lip oil gone. I had to get a new car stand because the old one that I had was done for. So there's that. I was gonna go to Target because I don't know, I just wanted to find something in Target just to get, only because I really want to give y'all some footage. Y'all, my hair is in a claw clip right now because I had a lot going on, but I don't know if I want to go to Target or not. So I don't know. I do need to go to the car wash too, though. Why are we like this? Why is women like this? Like, I need to go to Target. Like, girl, what did you get from Target? You don't even know what you're getting from Target. You just want to get something from Target. I don't know. I need to wait to go to Target, honestly. But it's okay though. So I really need to go to the car wash. So, and I need to go to Spectrum. I was supposed to go to another store to find a roller set because I don't have the roller set I want. I just want to try them just to see how like it does with my hair. So yeah, but I need to go to Spectrum really quick. I need to drop off these boxes, and then I need to go to the car wash and get my car washed. I have my clothes back there instead of my trunk because my trunk looks crazy. So today I'm cleaning my car out. When I go after the car wash, going through the car wash, and then I'm going through vacuum. I need them to really get me together. So I've had these Wi-Fi boxes for the longest time. Where is Spectrum? Over there. Okay. So I've had these Wi-Fi boxes for literally over a year, and I have not returned them. And it's just like they're just sitting in my trunk, and I just feel like that's so lazy because I should have been returned them. But we're turning them right now. We are going right now to return these because I refuse to let these sit another month, another week, another day, I refuse, okay? So let's go into Spectrum, and I think I want to pull closer pull closer. Let me pull a little closer. Okay. Okay. So we are here. I'm about to run in here, drop these boxes off, and I will see y'all when I get back in the car. Y'all, I'm back in the car. So I just stepped out of Spectrum, and why did they tell me that I have to go to a UPS store to drop off my equipment, which I'm so furious about because, baby, it's a Spectrum. Why don't y'all take this equipment? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. It's so hot. So this lady, she kind of looks like Miss Doubtfire, but like an actual woman. No shade, but y'all, look at my old car. My old car. Hold on, it's about to pass. Like my very first car ever. Anyway, yeah, I'm about to go to the car wash. Y'all, I'm about to go over all these freaking bumps up here, which I hate. Y'all, my dream car about to pass. Hold on though. Hold on. Big GMC. And it's a black one. Yeah. So don't get me wrong, I love my truck now. I love my truck now, but yeah, y'all. So I'm about to go to the car wash really quick, and then I'm gonna get my car on the inside really good too. And yeah, I should have stopped and got my nails repolished while I was up this way, but I don't know. We'll see. Y'all, so I went to Five Below and I spent $33 in Five Below. Yeah, but everything was $5 except for one thing, which is cool because that's surprising because Five Below show wasn't Five Below that long ago. So I'm kind of happy to see that they meeting requirements again. They're meeting their standards again. Make me come back, baby. Okay, so we are pulling up to the car wash. We pulling into the car wash. Hi, how are you?
Okay. How you want to wash?
Deluxe, please.
Deluxe?
Yes.
You want tire shine? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, the tire shine. $2 more.
Yes, please.
Okay. That'd be $14.
All right, I'm gonna use my card. Yes. And the car needs to be in neutral, correct?
I'm sorry?
In neutral, right?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, what did you say?
It needs to be in neutral, right?
Hello?
In neutral?
In the neutral,
Okay.
in the title, yes.
Thank you.
They'll tell you.
Okay.
You want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
Yeah, bye-bye.
You said off the brake?
Off the brake and accelerator.
Okay.
Until you go in the end of the tunnel, then you're gonna have to put it on drive and, you know.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Alright, it's off.
There's the vacuum as well. You gotta go right from that.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So, we're going to the car wash. He was laughing at me. Super freaky. Alright, y'all. I just left the car wash and then I'm pulling around. Why they got all this stuff like this? Hold on, let me go all the way to the end, away from everyone, because I'm so anti, of course. It's like when you get your car washed, it even drives smoother. Like, I'm back in the car. What's so funny is I went back in there and the girl said, she's like, wow, you came right. Both times you came right before and after rush time. Like just within those little bit of minutes. And I'm like, perfect timing. Okay. I need to go to a few places, honestly. Hey y'all, I just got back home. So I wanted to show y'all what I got from the store. Y'all, so exhausting. I couldn't wait to get back home. So I spent $33.08 and Five Below. And I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, the first thing is I got this LED wall art. For it to stick to, and then I can put it on the wall somewhere because it's so cute and I didn't want to pass it up. But I got this. Like I told y'all, Five Below got the good incense, okay? So I just bought four for their incense. A lot of them was gone, but the real good one, vanilla, it was one vanilla left, and you know I had to get it. Vanilla, and it was another one, I forgot the name of it, but I showed you at the store, but I'm gonna put the name right over here too. It was a spicy vanilla too. I didn't really like that one, but I got it anyway. Yes, the other one I got, it smells so good. The one that I got with two, it smells really good. So I got some incense, and then I got this really cute case because it's pink, and I'm like, why not? So, and it got flamingos on it, but it's cute. It's pink, so yeah. The next thing that I got was these Bluetooth earbuds because I lost my AirPods. And that's the end of that. So I got these cute classic earbuds. I seen them in green, they had them in white, pink, and I think it was like a blue. I wanted pink because it's pink. I could have got white to give it like a more of an aesthetic look, but I wanted to be different. And I really need these for when I'm working out, working, anything like that. I got this car mount also, and actually it's really good so far. So yeah, it's easy to put together, it's not complicated, it's perfect. And this is more so for like the car mounts, if you don't want to use the one for like the windshield or the one that you got to use for your little vent. This is the one. The last thing that I got from Five Below is this calendar. However, y'all see these things on the back? I don't know how I'm gonna put them on the walls. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how I'm gonna put them on the walls. So yeah, but I got this pink and white calendar because it's pink, of course. I got this. And yeah, everything is pink though. But I got this so it could be more of a visual thing monthly. I mean, I do the calendars that I can write in and stuff like that, but I need something more hands-on, more that I can see. That's not more so like a book. But this is for like, I needed this. I really did. And it's super cute. And it's glass. And this dry erase. Actually, I want to take it out so I can show y'all. Okay. So this is what it looks like when it's out of the wrapper. This is what it looks like when it's out of the wrapper. It's so cute, y'all. It's so cute. What's today? Saturday the 9th, right? Look it, so cute. 9. Then I'm gonna do 10, 11, 12. Y'all, it's so cute. It's really cute. And it's not heavy, it's not too heavy. But it is glass. So yeah, there's that. Yeah. I waited so long to take this sip. Way too long. Take a guess what's in my cup. My favorite pop ever. Alright, y'all, so I am about to make some food and I will see y'all